Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. What can I say? Yes, I hit up the Bath and Body Works sale once again. But how could I not? I'm sure everyone heard of the candle sale they were having a couple of days ago where the candles were $10.50. That's the cost here in Canada. In the US, I believe they were $8.95. So lucky you. But in Canada, it was $10.50. However, I had multiples of the 10 off 30 coupons. Of course I did, because I went shopping several weeks before. And each time I went shopping for a different Bath and Body Works product, they would hand me out a coupon. So I saved those coupons and I didn't go crazy. I mean, I could have done 3 separate transactions, but I only did the 2. So each candle ended up costing me, if I'm not mistaken, $7.16. So I did 2 transactions of 3 candles and used the 10 off 30, which broke it down to about $7.16 per candle. So if you want to see what I bought at the huge once-a-year candle sale, please keep on watching. For starters, this is the coupon that everyone was on the hunt for. It's a $10 off 30 with an expiry date of December 24th. And yes, see, I managed to control myself. I still have one left. What does that mean? Does that mean I'm going to go back into that store? Maybe. Like I said, I'm never going to say never again. But this is the coupon here. So a lot of these candles aren't new, but they're candles I love and I wanted to stock up on, especially during this holiday season. So the very first one that I picked up was the frosted cranberry, and I absolutely love the scent. I wasn't that fond of it last year, but for whatever reason this year, it's so nice when you light it up. When people walk into your house, it smells like, you know, those boutique stores, those Christmas stores. That's what it smells like, and I love that scent. So I picked up this one. And there you go, because I love it so much, I picked up 2 of those. I also picked up a holiday favorite, 'Tis the Season. On just me taking it out of the bag, you get that aroma. Oh, of spice and cinnamon and apples and sweetness. It's just so, so good. Love this. Burn this one every year. I also picked up the winter candle, and I'm loving their jars. It's like a matte white snowy jar. So, so pretty. It's just that evergreen smell. And I mean, the actual lids are nothing to write home about, but really, who cares about the lid? I care about what's inside. So love the scent. I also picked up, now this was more of a random scent, not necessarily a holiday scent, but I do love it regardless. And that's the Black Cherry Merlot. Oh, and it's so, to me, it smells like grape Kool-Aid. I love it. Just love it. And the last one I picked up was the Eucalyptus Mint. And I love this, especially if, you know what? If you're feeling under the weather, this will definitely, in my opinion, clear up your sinuses. So again, the packaging, just simple. But yeah, that was my candle haul this time around. So I think I did good. And again, they retail for $25.50. And they had the $15 discount, bringing it down to $10.50. Plus my 10 off 30 brought it to $7.17 per candle. And I don't know why that's not focusing. But yeah, I also, just a quick thing here, one of my wallflower thingies stopped working. You know that if it stops working, you can just bring it into the store and they'll exchange it for you. You don't need the receipt. So I just exchanged my non-working one for a working one. So that was it. That was my Bath and Body Works haul this time around. Let me know if you made it to the candle sale. I know a lot of people, that was the stir on Instagram. People were hauling like crazy. There was actually lineups when I went to the store, and people were just stocking up like it was going out of business. Anyways, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for spending a little bit of your time with me. I'm sorry I haven't responded to comments. At one time I disabled the comments, more specifically when I was away on vacation. I have now enabled them, but for whatever reason they're not coming through. So let me see if I can work that little kink out and start answering your comments, because what better way than to interact with our friends on here. But again, thank you so much for watching. And like always, I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Hope everyone's safe, staying warm, and enjoying this holiday season. Bye, everybody.